So you have the Sunpak mini box bicolor vlogging kit with Bluetooth remote. If you need to tighten it, it's all floppy, etc. What you do is in two different spots, there are little black caps that are covering up the screws for tightening it. And basically just pry them off with like a small flathead. They're worthless, it doesn't matter, you can lose them, I've lost mine. Just kind of manhandle them until they pop off. And underneath, you will see here, is a little screw for the little six-sided, I think they're called Torx heads, screwdriver. And then there's another one over here at this little pivot point. And so they're all loose. All you gotta do is take a size 15. Nope, gotta focus. I swear. It's gonna set this down. There you go. Size 15 head like that on a screwdriver, and just tighten them up. I'm just gonna hold that. It's gonna tighten them. You can look at my cats while I do it. They're good. Tighten it up. Just took it two turns, and then there you go. Now it's nice and adjustable. And obviously don't go crazy to where you strip it or to where you can't angle it anymore. And I'll do it over here too. You can look at this can now. There we go. I would have used the tripod in a different, scenario. So now it is adjustable. It will hold. You can adjust this. This probably needs to be tightened just a little bit. But that's all it takes. Just pop off the black cap, tighten the screw. Don't go crazy. You don't even need like 8 pounds of torque. It's just test it out, and you're done. And I have no idea why they didn't include that in the instructions, but there you have it.